guys, my name is Nokuthula and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is so exciting for me, and if you know me then you've known that I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, probably for like the past 4 years. I don't know, I've wanted to start a YouTube channel for so long, but I finally got the courage to do so. And what better day to launch it than my birthday. Today is my 21st birthday and this is so exciting for me because I'm just, I don't know, I'm just risk-taking. So today I finally filmed an everyday makeup tutorial. I hope it's an easy to follow process and you enjoy this tutorial. And please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and definitely comment down below what type of videos that you'd like to see from me, what you thought of this tutorial. And I will be posting videos either every Monday or every Wednesday. I'll keep you posted. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also towards the end I've included a get to know me tag so you can honestly get to know me if you don't know me. And I will link my social media accounts below and also here somewhere so that you can stay in touch with me, ask me any questions through Snapchat, Instagram, all of that. I hope you guys have a good day and enjoy this video. Bye! I am going to start off with priming my skin with this Benefit Porefessional primer. And I think I'm gonna fill my brows in with this random brow powder that I got at the beauty supply. But I think powders for brows are my new thing. And the reason I use two different shades to clean up my brows is because when you clean up your brows with concealer at the bottom, you want to highlight them. But then if you use concealer at the top, then it kind of gives your brows like a halo effect and like a white cast, and it's not very cute. So I just use whatever foundation I'm using, that way it matches my skin tone. And then when I'm done, I go back to see if I want to fill in the brows any more. And I'm going to actually fill in this one a bit more because I feel like I kind of went over it with foundation. We're done for now. And then I'm going to come back and just put brow gel over them. So now I'm going to take my NYX Total Drop Foundation. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with this Real Technique sponge, because when I use a brush I always get like splatters all over my shirt and then I can't wear it again, so I prefer to use a sponge with this specific foundation. And then when I'm blending, I bring it down all the way to my neck. And I really take my time with blending because, well, especially my foundation, because this is the base of your makeup, so you want it to be as flawless as possible. And then after that's all blended in, I go in with my NARS Radiance Creamy Concealer again, but this time under my under eyes, my chin, my forehead, and down my nose. The key to a flawless finish when you're doing your makeup is really just taking your time with blending. You shouldn't rush it because then you're just gonna have a lot of streaks. It's not gonna be cute. So just take your time with the blending, especially your foundation and concealer. So then now that I'm done with like the liquid product, I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder, and I'm gonna take another beauty blender, a clean one this time, and then dab it into the skin again. And then I'm just gonna take my E.L.F. small tapered brush and then just brush it all off. Now that I've finished setting my concealer and everything, I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses mineral powder just to contour my cheeks a bit. And I don't really do this on my forehead because I don't want to mess up my edges, but just put it a bit just for the sake of this video. And then now that that's looking cute. Now that these powder products are done, I'm gonna go in with my Badescu skincare facial spray. Jeez, that took forever. Just to kind of melt everything together. Just so it doesn't give me that like powdery look. I really like using this right before I put my highlight. And then just before it dries, I'm gonna go in with this Flormar Terracotta powder. This is what I use for like the base of my highlight. I'm so extra, I have like 2 highlights. And then I just go in like a C around my cheek and my brow. And then I do the same thing on the other side. And then I also go down at the bottom of my nose, just to give me the button nose. And then I do like right at the top of the bridge of my nose. These are the only 2 places I highlight on my nose. And I don't really like bringing it down because I feel like it makes my nose look a bit more flat. And then I'm just going to put it on my chin, Cupid's bow, and just a tiny bit on my forehead. And then, because one highlight is not enough, I'm gonna go in with this E.L.F. Heart Defensor highlight in the shade, I guess, Coffee and Cream. And I only got this like 2 days ago, but it's like low-key becoming my favorite highlight. Just wait. And then right before I set my face again, to kind of make it look like I tried but we really didn't, I go in with just this fluffy blending brush, and then I take this brown shade right here from my Kat Von D Shade and Light eyeshadow palette, and then I just go into the crease of my eye just to give it a bit more dimension. Nice, nice. And then on my actual lid, I just take another fluffy why is it so hard to say blending brush, and then take the lighter shade right above it and brush that onto my lid space. And that's all I do for my everyday shadow, because I don't really wear eyeshadow actually. And then now I'm gonna set my face with this matte finish setting spray. I think setting spray is like my favorite part after highlight. And then I just fan this out. Listen, this highlights. Once that is dry, I go in with my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara, and then I very lightly coat the top of my lashes because I always wear false lashes and I don't really care about the top. And then I spend more time on the bottom because I have baby lashes, like baby lashes, and I want them to show like somewhat, so. Now to my favorite part. What lashes to wear? Whatever, we're gonna wear the same ones we've been wearing for the past 3 days. So the style lashes I'm gonna be wearing are these. And there's something I'm working on. This is the difference that lashes make. Lashes done. And then now the very last thing that I do is lip gloss. We're gonna be wearing, well, I'm gonna be wearing the E.L.F. lip plumping gloss, and this is in the shade Champagne Glam. I just got this 2 days ago as well. Guys, I've been sleeping on E.L.F. The only thing that I don't like about this thing is that it's one of those lip plumping ones, and then this one's very intense, so the lip plumping part actually kind of hurts. Like, but it's cute. And that is my finished everyday makeup tutorial. So we're just gonna start with this tag, and I just found a few questions on Google. I just Googled get to know me tag and clicked one of the first few links that popped up, so I'll just be answering those questions so you can get to know me. Okay, so the first is, what is your middle name? My middle name is Chioneso and it means the light. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is purple. It's not very evident, but purple. And I think gold. That's evident. How tall are you? I'm about 5'6", 5'7", 5'6", I think. In between 5'6" and 5'7". Cats or dogs? Definitely dogs. If you know me, I don't like cats. How many countries have you visited? I've visited quite a lot actually, and I've lived in a few. So if you don't know, I'm from Zimbabwe, but I grew up in Tanzania and now I'm in the States for university, well, college, whatever. And are you in / have you gone to college? Yes, I'm in my 3rd year. So my first 2 years I did my associate's degree in fashion design, and now I'm doing my Bachelor of Science in Business Management. I don't know why I forgot that for a second. What's your favorite animal? Zebras for sure, because that's my totem, and I don't know, I just love zebras. What's your favorite perfume? I gotta get it. This is my absolute favorite perfume. It's the Lancôme La Vie est Belle, and it's just my favorite scent probably right now. Also the YSL Black Opium, that's a really good one. The Super Shock, I think it's Super Shock, the shook one. Tea or coffee? Tea all the way. If you have me on Snapchat, then you know I drink my yogi tea every day. It's, just add some ginger and honey, your life will change. Are you single or taken? I'm definitely single. What's your idea of an ideal first date? I think a picnic. I would cry if someone took me on a picnic. Do you speak any different languages and how well? Yes, really I only speak Shona. That's the other language that I speak. Pretty fluent because it's my mother tongue. And do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older brother. Tell us one of your bad habits. I'm such a procrastinator and it's so bad because I'll really be up until like 5 AM doing work that I could have finished like a week ago, but because I was procrastinating, I took forever to do it. It's honestly so bad. And these two questions are kind of the same, so I'm just gonna join them. The first one is, what are your plans after you graduate and what are your aspirations in the next few years? So, as I told you guys, I've done my associate's degree in fashion design and right now I'm doing my my Bachelor of Science in Business Management. And so after I graduate, I'd probably like to stay in the US, work for a bit, and then eventually move back to somewhere on the African continent. I don't really know what country yet, but move back home somewhere. And then I would like to start my own fashion house / fashion business, and yeah, just spend my time just developing that. So I think over the next few years I'm just gonna try and get as much experience as I can so that I can eventually start my own fashion business. So support your girl. Yeah, that's quite a lot that you got to know about me actually, and yeah, I think I'll probably do more of these videos soon, like these tags, so you can actually get to know me personally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, like I said, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll definitely have beauty videos, some fashion videos and lifestyle videos as well as advice videos, because I think I can relate to people and people can relate to me, so just be sure to look out for those, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye!